How to add a stop to a ride in Bolt. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add stop to a ride in Bolt. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to go ahead and launch the Bolt app on your mobile phone. After launching the app and you are brought to the home page, you would be brought to the map already, where you would see different places that you can go to using the Bolt app. And then once you're on this page, the next step is to select the where to search box that you can see towards the lowest part of the screen. Now, the first thing to do is type out your location. Okay, so you can just type it out. For example, IWO Road here, and then once you're done typing in your location, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see a plus icon. This plus icon stands for add, that is, you want to add a stop in your ride. So once you click on it, you can see the right up which says add stop, and then you can now type out where you want to stop. All right, so you can just type it out here. Gas station, for example, and then you select the gas station, then you select your destination, and then you can now go ahead and make your order. So that is basically how to do it. That's how you can add stop to a ride in Bolt. Thanks for watching and have a good day.